Take advantage of the benefits with your Mexico Destination Club membership. World Destination Experiences allows you to book in any destination. Log in with your username and password. Choose your preferred language and currency. On the hotel section, select your destination, dates, and guests. In this case, we are going to book Miami for President's Day 2019. You can choose hotel by discount, by savings, or by your budget. Select your preferred hotel and room type. Fill the form with your information to finish your booking.